Hello. Let's have a look. Book 5, Verbal Reasoning 1. So, number 1, we've got filter, cheese, wine, bread, strain, drink. Now, do you know what I did? I got it wrong because it is filter and strain. I thought it said stain. So, lesson to self, read it carefully. 2, bed, heart, coat, trousers, cover, hat. Choose one that are closest in meaning. Well, that doesn't... Right, so bed something, go to bed, in bed, bed, trousers, no. Bed cover, bed hat. Does that make sense to you? Doesn't, does it? Oh, look, it's just come to me. Going over the cover. It's coat, isn't it? I coat it in chocolate. I cover it in chocolate. Always be prepared to chew things over. Don't feel miserable if you have to. Cram, read, work, gauge, gorge, and cipher. Oh, dear. So, I don't know. What do you want to go for? Cram, gauge. Cram, gorge. I suppose you could cram it in. You could gorge it. You gorge something out, don't you? Read. I think, should we go for read and cipher? But then surely that's decipher, isn't it? Cram and gorge. Cram and gorge. The answer's cram and gorge. I cram. I gorge. I cram on so-and-so. I gorge on so-and-so. I'll look it up and we'll check. I suggest you do the same. If I've left this in place, it's because it's okay. I'm just not happy with it. Are you? No. Never mind. 4. Fight, ground, tent, ring, circle, battle. Oh, fight and battle. I'm not going to have a fight over this. I'm not going to have a battle over this. A fight and battle. So, let's go on to the next one. Number 5. We have inflame. Ooh, that means to make things worse. Feast and gala. Wrestle, banquet, and table. Always feast and banquet, isn't it? Feast and banquet. Now we'll have a look at filth, clean, green, squalor, schoolhouse. Oh, filth. Filth and squalor. I know all about that because that describes the back of my fridge. 7. Plain, overseas, lit, abroad, Africa, match. 7. So if you go overseas, you go abroad. And number 8. Shark, sea, ocean, bait, flower, swindler. Ooh, this is a good one. A loan shark is also a swindler, someone that swindles you out of your money. That was a tricky one, wasn't it? Is this cram and gorge that's doing my head in? Cram, gorge. Well, we know that's the answer. You can work it out. I can work it out. But how can you put it in the same sentence and mean the same thing? That's what you have to do. Bye.